Hello everyone, I'm Peculiar and we're live tonight at the Box Lava Entertainment for Musical Smog. Enjoy your stay. Okay, and what are you expecting tonight from his performance?
Whoa, we're expecting magic, like vibes on vibes,
Yeah,
we're expecting everywhere to boom, like vibes on vibes.
Yeah. And you girls look good tonight.
Thank
And you're welcome. Who is Musical Smog to you? Like, what do you think about him?
Well, for me, Musical Smog is a star. You know, he's a legend. Like, he's this young guy that has this music thing flowing through his vein. So that's it. That's it.
Okay, and what are you expecting tonight? Like, what are you expecting from his performance?
Yeah, I can remember the last experience. It was mad. So I'm expecting this one to be more crazy. You know. Yeah, so much expectations. Yeah, so that's it.
All right, you're welcome. Have a lovely evening. Sure.
Worldwide Plutomania.
Turn it up some more. I see the audio fusion. I see what I'm walking. Turn it up some more. Shut. Funny like London Bridge in the bus. In a play for you. Turn it up, come on.
I always believe in him. I know what he can do. So you understand. So I'm sure I will see a lot, like crazy vibes and yeah. So I expect every.
It's okay, you're welcome. Have fun tonight. Sure.
We all get on 12 o'clock for net. 12:30 use both no flat. She locate my location. So I be feeling the vibration.
Sensational above the conditioner. Really practitioner. This one a seniorita. Been a mama sita. Big kala need your wound up mama. If she no fuck if she no suck, who go pay for a wig and number? When he wants up, she go holla big gun. All along she dey follow me.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's about to top tonight. I want to see your flashlights on right now. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, where's the lights in here? What's up? Are these lights off? The front lights. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for music to spot here? Are you ready for music to spot here? Hey! Awesome! Are you ready now?
You want to do best. Even you not know. Let me hear you say my dad, I swear. You want to do best. You want to do best. There you go. Yeah, you the baby like Loto. This kind of loving I love. Yeah, you want to baby, this is Loto. So many things I love.
The box. Sugary sounds on the mix.
My girlie good, you bad. Girlie, your body na fire. I'm a one, I want to tire. I'm a for your love, I retire. Girl, I want to do anything where you want, girl, I want to do. Girl, you be my juice. Girl, you give me clues. I'm a rose in the garden. A little fine girl, can I come and see? But she tell me no, no, no. I'm a rose in the garden. A little fine girl, can I come and see? But she tell me no, no, no. She want up my money.
I'm not gonna lie, if you quench my fever, quench my fever.
Are you ready now? Awesome, all of you. Will you be my melody for me?
me like this. So one talk me I talk, don't get power. Why you don't do like this? So one talk me I talk, don't get power. Why you make
Money don't finish, now you don't depend for Jesus. Steady on my phone, I be calling. But she carry money every day, she be calling. Anytime she call my phone, she be want it. Lapo say she dey owe plenty money. Every time I call my phone, she want it. Every day she dey call on my phone. Lapo. Why you dey call her money from Lapo?
You dey do me like this, do me like that. Do me like this, you dey do me like that. Do me like this, do me like that.